Hi everybody, Dr. Baumholtz, happy Sunday, and today's question comes from Facebook, and the question is that the patient's going to be 50 years old soon, and they were thinking about having breast implants, and they were concerned about whether the stretch marks would be made better or worse by the implants. And this conversation would also apply to tummy tuck, for example. Someone has stretch marks, and will tightening the tummy tuck make the stretch marks more or less perceptible? So first, let's discuss what a stretch mark is. So the skin has two layers, epidermis and dermis, and the deeper layer is the dermis, and that is the strength and the resistance or recoil layer. It's where the collagen content should be the highest, and we depend on that collagen content for the elasticity and youthfulness of skin. So time and gravity and all those fun things, they're all on my side of the equation, but one of the things that happens as we put on weight and stretch the skin, or as we have children, is the skin can stretch, and it stretches to a point where that dermis will tear, and that's what we know as a stretch mark. Stretch marks come in many, many flavors, as you're well aware of. Some are more visible than others. And what we really need to know about a stretch mark is that the ability of that breast mound to hold that implant reliably, consistently, and symmetrically to the other side is now a little more uncertain based on the presence of stretch marks, or I'll say another way, based on the presence of tears in the dermis. In terms of whether it makes it more or less visible, anytime we take the skin under tension, I think you can give yourself an example as to whether it makes it more or less visible. So take your skin, give it a little bit of stretch, and see if it's more or less visible. But ultimately, remember, we're doing an implant for volume, we're doing a lift for position, we're doing a tummy tuck to address the muscle laxity as well as the skin issues of the belly. Well, I hope that answers the question. 50, of course, is just a number, and in the modern era seems to be the new 27. And we look forward to seeing you at Baumholtz Plastic Surgery. Have an awesome, awesome Sunday.